your kitchen. Welcome to another installment of If I Can Cook It, So Can You. You know, today we're going to do a relatively simple side. You know, it's summertime, right? Summertime, time for burgers, time for hot dogs, if you can find decent hot dogs, time for steaks on the grill. You know, and there's so many things you do in the summer, but what goes good with all of those mains, all of those entrees that I just mentioned? Potato salad. Potato salad. Everybody wants a really good potato salad. But the problem is this: if you're keto or gluten-free or Whole30 or whatever, you say, how in the world can I find a healthy potato salad? What am I going to do to find a healthy potato salad? Well, we are going to do it today. You and me, if I can cook it, so can you. James McDonald, we're going to make it happen today. Healthy potato salad. By the way, if you like what I'm doing, I sure hope you subscribe, share it with your friends, get them to join me too. There's going to be a lot of other new videos coming up, and you don't want to miss them. So go ahead and subscribe. But with that, let's talk ingredients. How are we going to make potato salad without potatoes? Okay, let's go ahead and talk ingredients. How in the world are we going to make a healthy potato salad? Because you know, potatoes loaded with starch, loaded with carbs, not really Whole30 or keto friendly. How are we going to do it? Well, we're going to do it right here. We're going to do it with cauliflower. Cauliflower, yes indeed. Before you run away, before you turn off the video, just trust me here. This will taste as good, if not better, than the potato salad you're used to. I am serious. It smells like potato salad. It feels like potato salad. And friends, it tastes, okay, I'm gonna say it. It tastes amazing. You're gonna love it. So give it a shot. We're gonna have cauliflower. We're gonna have some hard-boiled eggs. Whoa, these aren't hard-boiled yet. I better not drop them out of there. We're gonna have some hard-boiled eggs. Got to get those in the Instant Pot and get them hard-boiled. I'm gonna have an onion in this as well. We'll have some red onion. We'll have some celery in this. Amazing celery, good stuff there. I'm gonna have a bell pepper as well. Put a bell pepper in there. I am going to have some dill pickles, they'll be in there. The base, of course, is mayonnaise. I've got a wonderful avocado oil-based mayonnaise right here. And also, we will have some yellow mustard. I'm gonna put all the measurements down below for you and also in the video as well. I am doubling this recipe, hence the man-slave apron here, because Stacy's having an event tomorrow and she loves this potato salad, so I'm making it for her. I've got a couple of other things I'm gonna be putting in here: salt, pepper, and also a drop or two of my Dill Vitality, totally optional. If you're interested, check the link below, but I'm gonna put that in there as well. With that, those are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and chop some things up. Okay, I've already shown you how to do this before in one other video. How do you basically process cauliflower? How do you do it quickly, easily, break it into florets? I'm gonna do that right now. We're gonna cut it in half. With the greens on, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it again so we have quarters, and then break it apart after I core it out. So here we go. Let's go ahead and cut it in half. Let's cut it in quarters. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to grab my paring knife. My paring knife is missing, so I'll use this knife instead. And we will just cut out that center core on one of these guys so you can get an idea. And then we just break it into florets. So of course, throw away all of the core and any greenery, and we'll be good to go. There we are. Florets. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get our cauliflower cooking real quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a regular pan and I'm going to start filling it up with water. I'm going to put in a pinch or two of salt, just for fun, probably equal about a teaspoon or so. I don't really measure that kind of a thing. And then I'm going to take our cauliflower, which I've already washed, and I'm going to dump it on in here. I'm going to get the water to be about 1 inch above the cauliflower, and then we're going to go ahead and take it over to the stovetop, put it on, let it start boiling and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and cover it up. I'm going to reduce the temp. I'm going to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes like that. I don't want it to be mushy, and I don't want it to be al dente. I'm looking for that sweet spot right in the middle. That's what we're going to do with this cauliflower. While that's cooking, I'll go ahead and chop up the vegetables. Make sure, of course, our hard-boiled eggs are done. I'm not going to do that on video. You can look up how to do hard-boiled eggs. Pretty darn simple. But let's go ahead and get everything chopped up. We'll bring it all together. It's going to be great. All right, so I've got the cauliflower boiling over here, or almost boiling. I've got the eggs in the Instant Pot around the corner, so we get some hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to go ahead and start chopping up. I'm going to do our bell pepper. By the way, I'm doubling this recipe today, but the regular measurements will be down below, and also I'll put them along the title. But today I'm going to put in 1 whole bell pepper. I'm going to put in about, a cup of celery and a cup of onion. So I'm going to get chopping. Y'all can enjoy it. Okay, I've had these in here for about 7 minutes. I went ahead and I started it at 5 and checked them. Oh, these are perfect. These are perfect. This is what you want. This is what you're looking for right here. You're looking for your cauliflower not to be super, super soft, but also not al dente. So you're looking right in the middle. And at 7 minutes, this is perfect. So what I'm going to do now is just strain it off and let it cool down a bit. And then we'll start processing. My eggs just got done too. Perfect timing. So we are close, 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 close. Okay, so broccoli's cooling down, drained and moving forward. The eggs, I'm about to take them off. I've got my mustard here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 drops of my Vitality Essential Oil, my Dill Vitality Essential Oil, into this. And I like, when I'm cooking with essential oils, I like to put the oil into some sort of a liquid-based component or ingredient. Oh, that smells good. Of course, that's dill. But that helps to basically spread it all out so that it's not compacted in one particular area. And there are a lot of health benefits to dill, by the way, historic benefits. You can find them on WebMD. On WebMD, they talk about how they're packed with not only vitamins, but flavonoids. And flavonoids have been found to not only help in basically cardio health, but also they can be an element to reduce bad cholesterol. Other people have used dill over the years for things like colic with babies. I didn't know that was the case until I researched it. And also bad breath. Hey, nothing wrong with that, right? So with that, I'm gonna now put this into our potato salad, and we're getting really close. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and finalize this meal. Basically, I've got my broccoli right here, and what we're gonna do, you can look at the video, I'm just going to break it up so that it is chopped up a little bit. I'm not going to pulverize it. I'm just going to chop it so that you can't see that it's... Did I say broccoli? Cauliflower. I'm gonna chop it up so you can't see that it's cauliflower. And I'm going to put it into the bowl. And I'm going to do that with this whole pack, with all of this cauliflower, and then we will be ready for taste testing. Okay, we've got everything done. I didn't go through the process of having you watch me chop up eggs. I figure you know how to do that. I even knew how to do that before I started cooking. So with that, I'm gonna do my best to mix up this big bowl with my spoon and not spill anywhere, because there's a lot of salad in here. Potatoless potato salad. It's gonna be good. All right, I'm resting. You know, this really wasn't that hard, but I feel a little tired today. Anyway, there you have it, friends. This is my potatoless potato salad, Whole30 friendly, keto friendly. I put a little bit of paprika on the top just to kind of make it a little prettier. Officially, you're supposed to let this sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, but I'm hungry. So why don't you join me? Let's see how it goes. Amazing. You knew I was going to say it. Yeah. Not even a hint of cauliflower. It's like I could eat this all day. Maybe I will. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. It encourages me. I need some encouragement. subscribe. And if I can cook it, so can you. We'll see you next time.